Welcome to the heart of the global meat industry, where cattle farming sustains millions across the world. The process begins in open pastures, where animal welfare and balanced nutrition are the primary industrial priorities. Advanced tracking technology monitors the growth and health of every animal to ensure the highest quality standards. Once maturity is reached, the cattle are moved in specialized vehicles designed to minimize stress during transport. Please subscribe to our channel now to see more fascinating industrial processes and global food production stories.
Arriving at the billion-dollar processing facility, and the focus shifts to efficiency, safety, and total biological cleanliness.
Interior pathways are engineered using behavioral science to guide animals quietly through the initial stages of processing. Hide removal is a delicate mechanical process where accuracy is vital to protect the valuable leather material.
The hides are immediately separated from the meat production line to begin their transformation into premium leather.
Thorough cleaning removes impurities from the skin, ensuring a smooth surface for the upcoming chemical tanning stages.
Rotating drums tumble the leather in chemical solutions to stabilize the fibers and prevent any natural decay.
Constant laboratory testing guarantees that the tanning process meets strict safety and environmental standards for the industry. The leather is stretched and dried under precise conditions to achieve the desired thickness and final texture.
Automated spray systems apply vibrant colors to the leather, ensuring a deep and lasting finish for consumers.
Finished leather rolls are packed for global shipment to manufacturers of shoes, bags, and premium automotive interiors. Simultaneously, the meat production line uses steam pasteurization to effectively eliminate surface bacteria and ensure consumer safety. Rapid chilling is a critical step to lock in the freshness and nutritional value of the beef. Computer-controlled saws divide the carcass into primal cuts with a speed and accuracy that humans cannot.
Skilled personnel perform the final trimming while working in a temperature-controlled environment to maintain food integrity.
This laser technology portions the meat into uniform steaks, ensuring that every package meets the exact weight listed.
Vacuum packaging removes all oxygen, which significantly extends shelf life while preserving the natural color of meat.
Automated labeling systems apply weight and nutritional data in milliseconds as products move toward the boxing area. Driverless vehicles navigate the warehouse floor with laser precision to deliver pallets to the refrigerated loading docks.
Logistics experts coordinate thousands of shipments weekly to bring fresh bull meat products to global supermarket chains.
Sustainability is a cornerstone of this industry, where every part of the animal is used and repurposed.
Strict sanitation protocols for all personnel ensure that the production environment remains sterile and completely safe throughout. Modern technology optimizes water recycling and energy consumption, making this industry an environmental leader in food production.
From the farm to the table and the closet, and the bull meat industry provides essential daily resources.
High-quality nutrition is the foundation of the industry, with grain mixes formulated by specialized animal nutritionists.
Climate monitoring in resting areas prevents heat stress and ensures the animals remain healthy during peak seasons.
Modern ranching incorporates automated grooming tools to improve animal comfort and maintain cleanliness in the open fields.
Preventive healthcare through regular testing helps ranch managers maintain a disease-free herd and a safe supply.
Smart transport systems monitor the environment inside the trucks to guarantee the safety of animals during transit.
Deep cleaning with high-pressure foam is a daily requirement to eliminate any pathogens in the facility.
Ground beef production utilizes high-volume grinders to create a consistent product for global fast food chains.
Every pound of meat passes through sensitive metal detectors, to guarantee that the product is completely safe. High-precision robotics increase the speed of the logistics chain.
The journey to the consumer ends in a safe arrival at the local grocery store or restaurant.
Maintaining the correct chemical balance in the tanning vats is essential for producing durable and flexible leather.
High-torque gear systems are required to rotate the heavy hides through the thick tanning and dyeing.
Removing surface moisture after the wet phase is necessary to prepare the leather for the upcoming finishing.
Fine-tuning the speed and pressure allows for different types of finishes, from suede to high gloss.
In-drum dyeing ensures that the color penetrates through the entire hide for a very lasting finish.
Purifying gas pressure ensures a constant supply for the high-speed packaging and sterilization stages of production.
The scale of the storage facility is impressive, with precise control over inventory and the global logistics.
Color consistency is important for brand recognition and ensuring the product looks appetizing to the final consumer.
Robotic precision in the palletizing stage reduces human contact and increases the overall safety of the plant. Accurate weight measurement for pallets is essential for logistics planning and ensuring safe transport to the market.
The journey to the consumer begins as the refrigerated trucks leave the factory for their global drive.
Every finish and polish adds to the complex beauty of the leather that people love so much.
Maintaining the correct moisture balance is important for the flavor and the shelf life of processed meat.
Efficiency in the packaging line is critical for meeting the high volume of orders from global retailers. Inspection of the internal structure helps ensure the leather has the perfect fiber and dye distribution throughout.
Keeping the machinery in peak condition is vital for preventing delays and ensuring the highest product quality.
Real-time monitoring allows for immediate detection and resolution of any issues in the complex manufacturing process. Sustainability efforts like water recycling help reduce the environmental impact of this massive food production facility today. Leather is a treat enjoyed by people of all ages and all different cultures every single day.
The journey of a bull hide is a masterpiece of modern engineering and a global industrial success.
Adding natural oils back into the leather ensures it remains soft and flexible for use in luxury. Brushing the leather creates a consistent sheen and removes any remaining dust from the industrial finishing process. Secure packaging is the final step in ensuring the high-quality leather reaches its destination without damage.
Antimicrobial agents protect the leather from mold during the long transit times across global shipping lanes.
Controlled mixing is a science requiring precise speed to achieve a perfectly smooth finish for the leather. Measuring density ensures that the leather has the correct fiber structure for long-lasting, durable use today. High-speed labeling machines can process thousands of boxes in just a few minutes of production time. Moving products into the shipping bay is a critical and timed step in the long production process. Low oxygen levels are important for the quality and the shelf life of the finished industrial products. Temperature control is essential for the consistent drying of the leather during the high-speed production run.
Buffing speed is matched with the finishing line to maintain a continuous and efficient production flow daily.
Automated inspection reduces the risk of human error and ensures only the best rolls reach the consumers. Tamper-evident sealing is a critical food safety feature that protects the integrity of the finished product. Robotic stacking increases the stability of the pallet for safe transport across the long national distribution network.
Managing power is essential for the continuous operation of the world's largest and most efficient food factory.
samples. Logistics and distribution are the final links in the chain, bringing the factory's output to the world.
Leather remains a symbol of global quality and craftsmanship, enjoyed by people in all different countries today. Chemical testing is a critical step in ensuring the leather has successfully developed its unique, iconic feel. Weight checks at every stage ensure the process is efficient and the final consumer gets full value.
The factory remains a beacon of industrial efficiency, working tirelessly to satisfy the world's hunger for meat.
Sharp blades are the secret to perfectly processed hides and the high efficiency of the tanning line. Concentrated extracts are used to ensure the color is potent enough to stand out after finishing stages.
Efficiency in the supply chain allows the factory to receive and process massive amounts of raw materials.
Between batches, all surfaces are thoroughly sanitized to prevent cross-contamination during the busy workday tonight.
Branding and labeling keep the products fresh in the market, offering customers a way to identify quality.
Visually appealing leather is a technical challenge that this facility has mastered through years of industrial experience.
Human oversight is still essential to ensure final shipping boxes are sturdy and correct.
The distribution network is a marvel of coordination, reaching almost every corner of the country and beyond.
The taste of quality beef is a universal language of nutrition that transcends borders and all cultures.
High-quality ingredients are used to give the specialty meat products their authentic and refreshing natural taste.
Visual inspection systems use cameras and AI to detect any defects in the packaging before it leaves.
The power required to run a massive industrial facility like this is truly and deeply significant tonight.
Measuring durability ensures that the leather has the perfect feel and isn't too soft or too rigid.
The rhythmic movement of the products is a testament to the engineering that powers the factory's output. Precise liquid flow is necessary for the consistent treatment of hides and to lock in quality. The high-precision stacking ensures that the products are not damaged during the transport to their final destination.
These products are a popular choice for high-end consumers, bringing quality to millions of people daily.
From pasture to product, the journey of the bull industry is a masterpiece of modern industrial engineering.
Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of sustainable cattle farming and product manufacturing.
We hope you found this story fascinating, and remember to support a sustainable future for our world.